So the other day I did Jillian Michaels 30-day shred level 1 and I was successful with it, right? So because of that, I decided I was going to get hype and I was going to move myself up to level 2. That was a wrong decision and perhaps I was a little previous in doing that. I don't know how long it is that you expected me to stay at level 1. Surely it was more than 1 day, but level 2 I was not prepared for it because the static move them that she have me doing, like on my squat and those things hurt. Those things hurt. And then she have like a double crunch, something that she wanted to do where she wanted to lift up your head towards your knee and then your knee towards your head, so you're supposed to just double up like clothespin. I am here to let her know that I'm not made out of plasticine, which is Play-Doh. I'm not really playing around with her like that. I'm sweating like a hog and it's only 20 minutes in. Please, God bless Shaun T, because he's the only person that is allowing me to keep up with some of the things that this woman wants. However, Jillian Michaels, I like your workout, but I miss the stretching that Insanity give me. Because right now, most of them seize up. I mean, not say if me did for stretch a top and bottom like Shaun T usually have me do, more than seize up too. So Shaun, I know I spend a lot of time cussing you about, oh, you're wasting my time with all of the stretching activities, but I do miss them when they are gone, and I think I'm going to be coming back to you soon, because there are certain things that you do for me that other people just cannot do. But I do like Jillian. Her thing kind of nice. And oh, that girl who she have a workout behind her, like the black one, something wrong with she. Like Jillian, I try to get her blind and I put her hand lower so they need them not to come up high. The girl moved the hand back up with a serious look on her face to make her know, say no, my knee's going to come up and touch my breast, because that's what God intended. I don't really know what is happening in her life, but I don't feel like I'll be getting her anytime soon. If the shot looks shaky or like lean or anything like that, I'm not using my laptop, my team, my iPad, and I use it. Ray, but so tell them something there. That's why I'm look like a strange, I'm like a strange size. Yes, I think I'm going to do all of my vlogs from this angle because it's very slimming. Okay, so I did my workout. Everybody, 20 minutes. Oh God, so my dog them start. I must end the vlog now. Bye.